Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a behind-the-scenes skill that can really set apart your Power BI reports, automated unit testing. If you've ever wondered how to catch errors early, avoid embarrassing mistakes, or just be sure your DAX measures are giving the right answers before sharing your reports, this video is absolutely for you. By the end, you'll not only understand why unit testing is so crucial in Power BI, but also get a practical framework you can build right into your own reports. Let's jump right in and talk about why testing your Power BI reports even matters. Imagine you've crafted a sleek dashboard and it looks fantastic, but one formula is off, or a data transformation isn't quite right. If you share that with your team or leadership, a small error could spiral into big decisions based on bad data. That's why automated unit tests are so important. They help you verify that your DAX measures are calculating what you expect, that your Power Query steps are transforming data correctly, and they give you a warning if, say, an updated data model starts to break things that used to work. It's really about confidence, credibility, and honestly, peace of mind before your work goes public. So how do you actually set this up? First, let's start with a sample dataset. I'll show you how simple it can be. Just copy the following table into Power by using the Enter Data feature. Product, category, sales, quantity, for example. Laptop and electronics sold for $1,200 with a quantity of 5, tablet for $804, all the way down to a chair for $400 with a quantity of 2. This small table is perfect for testing because you know the exact numbers. You can easily check if your calculations are right. Now let's create some test measures. Start with something basic like total sales. Just use the formula sum of the sales column. For average quantity, write an average on the quantity field. Think of these like the answers you'd want your report to show. Total sales should sum up to 4,600. Average quantity should be 4 across all products. Don't worry if math isn't your thing. Using a small dataset makes it easy to double-check by hand if you want. Here, where the power of unit testing shines. We build validation measures, special formulas that check the actual result against what you expect. For example, create a measure called test total sales that uses an if statement. If your total sales equals 4,600, show pass, otherwise fail. You can do the same for average quantity. If it matches your expected result, great, you'll see a green check mark. If not, a clear red fail pops up so you know right away that something's off. Let's pull these all together visually. Insert a simple table visual and add your test measures to it. It's like a dashboard for your automated checks. Wherever you see pass, you know things are working. Any fail signals something to investigate. This is super helpful before a big presentation or a report rollout because you can scan for problems with one glance. As you get comfortable, you can take your testing to the next level. There are fantastic external tools like Tabular Editor, where you can create calculation groups for more systematic testing, or DAX Studio and PBI tools to set up automated pipelines. In Power Query, you might add steps that flag missing or suspicious data, anything you want to catch before the user ever sees an issue. And for larger organizations, deploying through the Power BI Services deployment pipelines means you can automate these tests across different environments like development, testing, and production. A couple of best practices before we wrap up. Always make a validation page just for internal use in your PBIX file. Store your expected answers in a test table so you can quickly check against them. And if you're working in a big team or enterprise, definitely automate testing with external tools. It saves so much time and catches errors you might otherwise miss. So with just a little extra upfront effort, you can make your Power BI reports not only look good, but truly trustworthy and robust. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button. Let me know your feedback or questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Power BI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.